Did you know that nearly 70% of adults in the US struggle with weight loss? What if I told you that one sugary fruit could help you shed pounds overnight? Stay tuned to discover this game-changing secret. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of weight loss and uncovering how certain foods can supercharge your journey. We'll be focusing on a specific fruit that's not only delicious but also incredibly effective for weight management. Let's face it, weight loss can be a daunting challenge. Many people find traditional diets hard to stick to, leading to frustration and disappointment. Whether it's calorie counting, meal prepping, or resisting cravings, the struggle is real. Often, these methods feel restrictive and can lead to yo-yo dieting, where the weight comes back just as quickly as it was lost. So, what if there was a simpler way to enjoy your food while still losing weight? Enter our star of the day, the juicy watermelon. This vibrant fruit is not just refreshing, it's packed with benefits that can aid in weight loss. Watermelon is over 90% water, making it incredibly hydrating and low in calories, only about 30 calories per 100 grams. It's rich in vitamins A and C, antioxidants, and amino acids that help burn fat. Studies have shown that incorporating watermelon into your diet can reduce body fat and improve overall health. Plus, its natural sweetness satisfies sugar cravings without the guilt. So, what's the magic behind watermelon? Research indicates that its high water content can help you feel fuller longer, reducing overall calorie intake. And here's the kicker, many people have reported significant weight loss after adding watermelon to their meals. Just listen to Lisa's story, she swapped her usual sugary snacks for watermelon and lost 10 pounds in just a month. Imagine waking up lighter and more energized simply by making this one delicious change. In summary, watermelon isn't just a tasty treat, it's a powerful ally in your weight loss journey. By incorporating this simple fruit into your diet, you can enjoy great flavor while achieving impressive results. We want to hear from you. Have you tried using watermelon for weight loss? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and check out our related videos for more secrets to achieving your wellness goals.